Today I'm going to show you how to make a gradient shape in Premiere. So here we have an example of one. I'm going to delete that and start over. So I'm going to grab my rectangle tool. However, you can draw your own shape or select a different shape, but I'm going to keep it simple with a rectangle. This has a solid fill. If you go over to your effect controls, you can change the color of the shape. If you don't have your effect controls menu, go to Windows and make sure that's checked off. Then under shape, you're going to hit the drop down and you will get a bunch of options to change the appearance. We have a blue fill, no stroke, no shadow here, and I'm going to select the box next to the fill check mark to get my color picker. And as you can see, this is a solid. We want a gradient, so I'm going to switch it to gradient. You can either do radial or linear, but I'm going to stick with linear in this video. And right off the bat, it's got the colors that I had selected last time, but you can change up these colors or where they're positioned in the gradient by just moving them around or selecting either color and grabbing your picker and just grabbing something else. You can color pick, you can use the slider. Ooh, a little green would be nice. And then you can change the midpoint by just sliding it or changing its percentage here. And once you have something you like, you can hit OK, and that will lock it in. And then if you want to change the direction of the gradient or where the midpoint is, you just hit your selection tool and you'll see this little slider here with handles that you can move back to give it a wider berth here. And also you can move the midpoint by hovering over that area and just sliding it. You'll know you're there because you'll get the pen tool. So there we are. And if I want the gradient to be at more of an angle, I can move it this, and that looks pretty good. Cool, so that's basically it. I hope this helped you guys. If it did, give me a like and check out my playlist in Premiere for more. Thanks for watching.